Hi guys! In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make these cute miniature donuts. I start by making my own clay using the salt dough recipe. Combine together 2 parts of flour, 1 part of salt, and 1 part of water and knead it to get the dough consistency. To make the base for donuts, take a ball of the salt dough and flatten it a little bit. Next, with a toothpick, I create a hole in it and make some details on the side. Now it's time to bake them at 110 degrees Celsius for about 10 minutes. After baking, I let them cool and add shading with Aquarelle paint. I start by this orangey color and then dab on some brown that I later water down to achieve that baked look. Seal it with matte glaze or white glue. For the donut glaze, I mix together white glue and Tempera paint. Spread it on the donuts and let dry. Once the glaze is dry, brush on white glue and decorate with nail beads to make it look like sprinkles. Seal the beads in with some more glue and let dry again. Make any box you'd like to store the donuts in, and you're done! Thank you for watching!